Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of those fad diets that leave you feeling miserable and unsatisfied? Well, I've got news for you. Losing weight doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor. Today, I'm going to show you 5 delicious recipes that will have you feeling your best and shedding those extra pounds. So put on your aprons and let's get cooking. First up, we're kicking things off with a green smoothie blast that'll wake up your taste buds and leave you feeling energized. Now, don't turn your nose up at the green part. This smoothie is packed with spinach, which, believe it or not, you won't even taste. We're using a handful of fresh spinach leaves, half a ripe banana, a cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Blitz everything together in your blender until it's smooth as silk. This green smoothie blast is bursting with nutrients, keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and is perfect for a quick breakfast or a healthy snack. Plus, it clocks in at just around 200 calories. You can enjoy this without the guilt trip. Next up, we're ditching those boring, tasteless salads and whipping up a quinoa salad delight that's bursting with flavor and texture. First things first, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water until the water runs clear. Now cook the quinoa according to the package instructions. Once it's cooked, spread it out on a baking sheet to cool down. While the quinoa is cooling, let's prepare the rest of our salad ingredients. Diced cucumbers, juicy cherry tomatoes, finely chopped red onion, and a handful of fresh parsley. In a large bowl, combine the cooled quinoa, diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onion and parsley. Drizzle over some good quality olive oil, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and season generously with salt and pepper. Give everything a good toss to combine, and there you have it. This quinoa salad delight is a symphony of flavors and textures, and it's packed with protein and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's the perfect, light yet satisfying lunch or dinner option. Now, we're going to ditch the heavy, carb-laden pasta and get creative with some courgette noodles that are light, refreshing and bursting with flavor. First things first, grab your trusty spiralizer and turn those ordinary courgettes into extraordinary noodles. If you don't have a spiralizer, use a vegetable peeler. Now for the star of the show, the pesto. In your blender, combine fresh basil leaves, a couple of cloves of garlic pine nuts, Parmesan cheese and a drizzle of olive oil. Blitz it all together until you have a smooth, vibrant green sauce. Gently toss the courgette noodles in the pesto until they're evenly coated. And there you have it, a low-carb, flavorful dish that's ready in minutes. Now we're going to talk about a true weight loss wonder, the humble sweet potato. Start by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Scrub those sweet potatoes clean and prick them all over with a fork. Place the sweet potatoes directly on the oven rack and bake for about 45 minutes or until they're tender when pierced with a fork. While the sweet potatoes are working their magic in the oven, let's prepare some delicious toppings: Greek yogurt, black beans, and a sprinkle of cumin. Once the sweet potatoes are cooked to perfection, carefully remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly. Slice them open, fluff up the flesh with a fork, and then load them up with your toppings. Finally, we're whipping up some no-bake energy bites that are perfect for a quick and healthy snack on the go. These little bites are packed with wholesome ingredients and will give you a much-needed energy boost without the sugar crash. In a large bowl, combine rolled oats, natural peanut butter, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of chocolate chips. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Pop them in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. And there you have it. No-bake energy bites that are perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings without derailing your weight loss goals. There you have it, 5 delicious and healthy recipes that prove that losing weight doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor. So ditch the processed junk, embrace the power of fresh ingredients, and get cooking. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking. Don't forget to follow us for more delicious and healthy recipes. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Happy cooking!